YouTube is a great place to listen to music. There are music videos that suit every taste. For example, music for Valentine's Day, famous opera arias, best of Puccini, etc., to name just a few. It occurred to me that it may be interesting to make a few videos drawn from classical music that seem to convey certain human emotions, such as romantic love, longing, homesick, patriotic feelings, etc. For folks not familiar with classical music but would like to have an introduction to it, such videos provide a helpful beginning. This is the first such video. The theme is the joy conveyed by the beauty of nature. For this, I select the beginnings of the first and fifth movements of Beethoven's Sixth Symphony, the Pastoral Symphony, and the beginning of his Sonata No. 5 for violin and piano, the Spring Sonata. Here is the beginning of the first movement of the Pastoral Symphony. One cannot but associate the melody with the joy of going to the countryside among trees, streams, and hills. In the last movement of the Pastoral Symphony, one experiences the gratitude of the shepherds after a thunderstorm. Let us now hear the beginning of the Spring Sonata, which invokes the joyful feeling that winter is over and spring has arrived. End of video.